Go like that. Good to bail. Oh, we've got an odd breaking one here because it hasn't shined up properly yet, so hopefully it'll stop breaking an odd bail every now and again when we get going here. It hasn't been used for a fair while.
How come some are breaking up?
Well, the knotters aren't tying properly.
Oh, can you fix it?
Well, hopefully it'll shine it up, and once the rust gets off it or whatever, it'll go again. It's a New Holland 317 baler. They made them in 1975 to 85. Now these are the knotters that tie the knots in the twine. It uses poly twine, this one, and the knotters cut the twine and knot it, they cut it, and then it produces the bail. And there's the knot there.
Where do you put the twine?
The twine goes in this box here.
Oh yeah.
And it takes four rolls of twine.
Oh right.
Not quite tying the knots properly, so we'll just have to investigate that problem there. It's been a long time since it's been used, so it might just need shining up or an adjustment or something there. The bales are weighing around 18 to 20 kilos at the moment, and it's cereal Moby Barley. There's a few of the feeder forks that feed the hay into the chamber. There's a knife in there that actually cuts it in halves, slices, then it goes into the bale and compresses it, and then the knotters here, they take over and knot it. We just got a problem with this left one here for some reason. It's something we'll just have to have a look at. It's missing a left knot every now and again. It's not a bad old baler for its age. Quite good. So why it's actually missing a knot every now and again. Everything seems to be in the right spot here.
What do you think, Belle?
Belly, she's a good girl. You show me your sore tummy. Oh, is your tummy sore? No, you just check for me. It's all right. You've been in your pool, have you? It's swimming.